Hi everyone, my name is Isma and today I'd like to talk about a commission that I did. I was commissioned by a client to paint and animate his OC, which I also painted and animated before. But this time, he wanted it in the style of Tonberry from Final Fantasy for a Halloween special. Now, I must confess, I have never played a Final Fantasy game in my life. I've only watched the movies. And as a 90s kid, my only exposure to Thornberry was this Thornberry. Nigel Thornberry. So I drew this for him instead. Smashing. JK, of course. I did my SOP to make sure I communicate with the client to get it right. I drew Thornberry as a joke and sent it to him before the actual files. He said he'll enjoy it from afar. It's always nice to do simple animations of animated emotes or GIFtuber because it's pretty exciting to see a 2D painting come alive with motions and movement. Bringing it all together always makes me so happy and excited to see it come to life. This is it in idle mode and this is it in chat mode. So these are the close-ups. And it was really cute to see him stream online. That's all for today. If you like my videos, it will help if you hit that like and subscribe button and share it to your friends who you think might enjoy it. I'd like to thank my patrons for supporting me over the years and letting me do what I love. Thank you so much, guys. I share videos, tutorials, and photo references for free for artists to use. So if you'd like to help make all of this sustainable, it would really help if you do so by pledging over at Patreon. I also have a Discord channel where I'm trying to create a wholesome community, and you can also get notified when I go live on Twitch. All links are down below in the video description, and that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!